How to change Roblox keyboard controls. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll be discussing about changing your Roblox keyboard controls in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser and then search for Auto Hotkey. Once you hit search, click on the first link and download the software. It's safe, so install it, accepting any prompts. The version number may be different as the software updates, and once installed, go back to Roblox and open a new script, name it as Roblox Keybinds, and create it. This will open a folder, and then click on Edit Script, open the script with a notepad, paste the code that you'd like to set, and look at your keyboard while doing this to avoid confusion. And when you exit Roblox, the keybinds will be removed. And when you reopen Roblox, the saved keybinds will be active again. Finally, click on Save the Notepad file, and that's it. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.